Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing some dinner, and today we're doing jerk chicken for dinner, rice and peas and vegetable and ting. It's already seasoned, and now we're gonna put it into the oven. We're gonna jerk it in the oven, guys. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so while Junior put the chicken in the oven to jerk, I wanna give some shout out to two donors, to Miss Happy. Miss Happy donated to Surgeon some time ago. Miss Happy, big up yourself. May God continue to bless you and your family, and may your store basket never be empty. Yes, Miss Happy, thank you so much. Really appreciate what you did for Sir John. Yeah, and also Miss Simo from California. Miss Simo, big up yourself, big up yourself. May God continue to bless you also, and may your store basket never be empty. And guys, please remember to continue to show love, support to individuals, who need it. But you show love to everybody, but you should give the support to individuals who need it. May God continue to bless every single donors, and to all who have been watching and supporting the channel. May God continue to bless and keep you. One love, guys. I'm going to use like this same thing that I used to season up the chicken. Just going to add some more water to it, because we're going to need it to to keep the chicken moist while it's in the oven. I'm going to season up the peas. I'm going to use my coconut milk, my cock soup, butter, salt, and scallion and thyme. Okay. Here we're doing some pasta with mixed vegetable and peas well seasoned up and ready to put the rice in. Stay tuned, guys.
It's okay. It's alright.
So we're using about the same water, guys, from the chicken. That water we're going to use for the gravy. Yeah, I'm going to throw it back over the chicken now, guys. Look at that. Yep. That smells good. It's jerky. Jerky, I push away a pan. The pan will go for more. Okay, guys, so we're on the final stretch. We remove the pan that was underneath it. Can you hear that? Yep, remove the pan that was underneath it. And now those that are left in there, they are doing their thing. And yep, getting the smoke, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna cover it up for a little while again, and that's it. Look at that, guys. Look at the jerk chicken. Wow. My mouth is running water. He's making some sauce. Looks really nice.
Alright guys, so Wednesday we'll be doing the ultrasound, so we'll know then how far along she is, and I guess what type of baby or babies.
I can't tell. I can't tell what of baby's okay.
You can't tell?
When you reach a certain month.
Oh, I have to reach back a month first. I totally forgot about this. That's so
They
long.
can know if it's 1 or 2 or 3 or 10.
Huh?
When God give blessing, then give enough blessing, remember?
1, 2, 3 or 10?
You make me laugh.
1, 2, 3 or 10?
I'm just saying. I'm tired.
Guys, pretend like me not hear the part. She just changed my mind. I feel like I don't know how just one again. I think more as the 1, 2, 3 or 10.